Hey realtor, you know what confuses me about you? Sometimes I'm not sure you really care about real estate. Sometimes I think you care more about cryptocurrency or your dog or shopping or traveling or doing anything but real estate. Yeah, I stalk you on Instagram sometimes. Yes, I check you out on YouTube. I actually do wind up on your Facebook page because I just want to know, how legit are you? And sometimes I'm not sure you're really that legit because I see everything but real estate. I see you talking about what Bitcoin is doing, going to the moon, and Dogecoin is surging to Mars, and there's this and there's that, and there's all these things that you seem really passionate about. But you know what you don't seem that passionate about? Real estate. It's unfortunate because I know that you're good. I know that you care. I know that you can represent your clients really well. But if I'm confused about whether you're passionate about real estate or not, then the people that you're trying to get to hire you are confused too. Here's the deal, realtor. If you have other passions, that's great and that's fine. In fact, I think your passions need to come out in your personal branding. But if those things dominate your professional real estate brand and people are confused, then they're not going to hire you. It needs to be abundantly clear. I'm a realtor. I'm a good one. I represent people. I close homes. I do deals. I help people find the dream. By the way, here's a couple of things that I care about too. Instead of, I really love this and that. Oh, and by the way, I do real estate. You see the difference? Make sure people know this is what I do. This is what I'm passionate about. This is what I love. This is who I am, and I can help you. See you soon.